we are going to learn the word context with its meaning, pronunciation, definition, with example, as well as we are going to learn this word in the whole paragraph so that we can understand it in a better way, so that we can apply this word in our English speaking conversation. So watch this video till the end. Context. Context means in spoken English the situation or details that help you figure out what's going on or what someone means. Let me break it down in simple words. When you try to read something and you don't know the exact meaning of a particular word, at that time you read the whole sentence in order to understand what this sentence convey, even after you don't know the particular word in that sentence. It is the context which helped you to understand the whole sentence even after not knowing a particular word. Let me give you example. Can you give me some context? I didn't understand the beginning of the story. I totally missed the context of the conversation, so I was a bit confused. She explained it. Still, I need more context to really get what she is saying. Without the right context, jokes can easily be misunderstood. Let's understand the word context in the paragraph. In everyday conversations, having the right context is like having a map for understanding. Picture a chat where someone brings up a topic out of the blue. You might nod along, but you are missing the context, the who, what, and why. It's like hearing the middle of a story without the beginning. To avoid that confusion, people often ask for context, a bit of the backstory to connect the dots. It's the extra info that turns a random statement into a clear message, making spoken communication smoother and more enjoyable.